You have a desire, and you want to have it. You have heard that manifestation works and you can get whatever you desire in your life. So, you are watching these manifestation videos, reading posts, and hoping that one day you get it. When you hope for something, you fall into a manifestation trap unconsciously, and this keeps your manifestation away from you. Well, this trap is commonly worded as, I will get it tomorrow, my manifestation is coming, or I hope my manifestation comes to me. These are some terms that are preventing you from fulfilling your desire, and I will show you how to use them. Also, by the end of this video, you will know what you must do right now. People are frequently trapped in the illusion of receiving their manifestation. When they think that they will get their manifestation in the near future, they are not abiding by the law of assumption. The law of assumption states that you must assume the feeling of already having your desire. When some of you hear this for the first time, you start thinking, how can I assume something when it is not physically there? When you start with this approach, nothing changes for you, as manifestation is an inner game. It is a game that requires inward attention. When they begin to get this thing, a trap awaits them that says, my manifestation is approaching. Well, even if you start thinking that it is coming, you are also delaying it. It happens because you are still not in the state of having your desire. So, stop saying that you will get something in the future or that it is coming. Instead, decide what you want and claim that you have it in the present moment. Neville Goddard has talked a lot about reaching a state akin to sleep to manifest the desire. Well, it works because your mind is relaxed and you are, for a moment, not aware of your physical body. You are acting as an observer at that moment of time. It is during this moment that you are experiencing an imagined act. This experience is necessary to manifest. Also, it does not mean that only by getting into a state akin to sleep can let you manifest. Many people manifest even if they do not take the SATs. They do it by becoming persistent in the state of wish fulfillment. Their dominant state changes. This change in state finds expression in the external reality, and therefore it manifests whatever matches this dominant state. You have to maintain the attitude of having that thing or person in the present moment. Stop thinking about your wish. Start thinking about what happens when you get it. Suppose you want to manifest a car. Stop worrying about your car and start thinking about road trips in it. Experience that road trip in the present moment. Do you want to marry a specific person? Then start living with them in your imagination. Begin to picture yourself sleeping next to your special someone. Start feeling their presence in your imagination. When your imagination is persistent and powerful, things happen, and you manifest whatever you desire. Your lack of discipline and staying in the state of wish fulfillment is the only reason that you are not getting what you desire. Let your old state of being die, wear this new state of being and become disciplined. It will become your dominant state in no time. I've seen people manifest their ideal partner in as little as a week or even 2 days. Just because they don't take no for an answer. They persist and let their doubts die, their disbelief starve, and their assumptions grow. If you imagine it, it is already yours. There are no ifs and buts. It is yours. Actions will happen effortlessly. You don't have to think about what action to take. All you have to do is give yourself what you want to experience internally. Experience it right now. This video is short. In the upcoming videos, I will share with you a way that can help you shift your identity. You can get massive results when you start using it. For now, don't waver and claim it to be yours internally. When you do it and it happens, you will know that everything you experience is your creation alone. So, I hope you got what you were seeking. Subscribe because I post these videos regularly. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.